guys, welcome back to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we will learn about 10 amazing facts about nature. So, it is good thing to live in nature. You will understand and learn about the nature. So we are there to explain you all guys. So we will start now. Before starting video, please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification. So we will start now. First point. Owls don't have eyeballs. What they have instead are better described and eye tubes. So the owl have one more fact about the owl. He can see only the blue color, while the humans can see all colors. And the owl can move his neck flexibly 270 degrees, wherever human can only manage about 180 degrees. Since they can't move these tubes back and forth, owls have developed incredible neck flexible to be able to see the world around them. So they can move 270 degrees wherever the human can only manage about 180 degrees. So the owl have one good advantage and one bad advantage. So the second point. In space, metal can weld on its own. In Earth, we need one tool or machine to boil the metal. But in space, the metal can weld on its own. On Earth, you need heat to fuse metal, but in space, two pieces of same kind of metal will fuse together. Since some time when the two types of metal are in space, so it can fuse together with each other help. With only a little pressure, the process is called a cold welding, and it happens because of the lack of atmosphere. In space, this process are called cold welding. So they need a two kind of metal, and it happened because of the lack of atmosphere. In the space, there is so lack of atmosphere, so this process that happened. Third point, baby giraffe use their butts as pillows. So the butts means stomach, while adult giraffe usually sleep standing up, but baby giraffe will get a bit more comfortable. They hunker down on the ground and take advantage of their extra flexible necks. So the baby giraffe sit down and they are flexibly neck, so they sit on their stomach and sleep. So they need more comfortable by the adults. Twisting around to plop their neck on their own behinds. It doesn't look especially comfortable, but it sure does look cute. When the baby giraffe sleep like that, it is not comfortable, but in his mind he is comfortable and it look very surely cute. Fourth point, cows kill more people than sharks. So it is very odd that cows kill people than shark. Turns out jaw really blew things out of the preposition for sharks. According to the Center for Diseases Control, sharks kill an average of 4 people per year. So, by the scientists decided that the shark kill an average of 4 people per year, but the cows kill 22 people per year. So the cows are also very dangerous than sharks. While cows kill an average of 22 annually. Annually means years. 2. Some are due to the road accidents. 75% were premeditated attacks. Fifth point. An extinct species of penguin nearly 6 feet tall. So the 6 feet tall is very big, like humans. The biggest penguins around 9 days are emperor penguins. So till now, the biggest 6 feet tall penguins are called days are emperor. Penguins measuring a respectable 4 feet in height. So in the past, their highest penguin 4 feet in height, but the scientists discover the more and the more past things. that they are 6 feet tall penguins also. However, 37 million years ago, there is a penguin which known as Plateus calcois. It is found in Australia or Flores penguin. So they roamed in Antarctica. So they found anywhere. It is so wonderful to understand about nature. They are in Antarctica also and they are in Australia also. They weigh about 250 pounds and stood about 6 feet. So their babies are in 6 inches tall, and when they become adults, their max height is 6 feet, which is the height of the average NBA player. Unfortunately, like modern penguins, these class penguins could neither fly nor they can fly only 6 inch or 5 inch. So less height. But still they get fun to imagine a penguin going one on the another. So when they are baby, they play like go on each other and tell their height. Sixth point. The rose pitcher plant is a toilet and food source all in one. So you have probably heard about carnivorous plant like Venus flytrap. So it is very dangerous plant of carnivorous till now. But in Nepal, lowii or the rose pitcher plant has moved away from eating animals to instead feeding on what they leave behind. So that rose pitcher plant eat. They have a very little liquid that insect come and smell that, so they can take it and eat. The plant secretes a white sugary nectar that both birds and shrews. So they can eat very small birds and shrews and insect all. But in order to access it, they must perch their rare ends over the mouth of the rose pitcher plant. So like humans have brain, that plants also have brain. If we throw a stone on it, after 30 hours, they remove the stones by own. Basically, it's a completely with a feeding station, said one research at Royal Roads University in British Columbia. So this research is done by Royal Roads University in British Columbia. Seventh point. You all grow nearly 600 miles of hair in your lifetime. The average person will grow 590 million of hairs in their lifetime. So according to the express, this is communicate of each hair on your body led to the end. So the scientists discovered that there are 590 miles of hair in your lifetime. So the 590 miles hair come and go, and we cut also. Nose hairs alone contributed 6.5 feet of the total. We cut the nose hairs too. When you became old, the nose hair also become big. And if you don't cut, it can contribute about 6.5 feet of the total. It is so big. So we have to cut the nose hairs too. 8 point. Saturn could float on water. What? Saturn also could float in water. It is so wonderful that this much big Saturn will float on water. Size has nothing to do with take a giant incredible for example. But there is a fact that Saturn have gases and water only and dust. So it can float in water. It's less dense than what understand it, so it able to sit on top of the water. We have to know that the Saturn have only dust, water, so the water can float on water. So there are water, dust, and some another meteorite, some only little bit. So it can float on water. 9 point. Women blink their eye more often than men. So all the women blink the eyes more than men. According to a study from the Functional Academy Research Center, in a million women blink an average of 19 times a minute. So in the 11 billion, only the cannot blink more than 19 minutes, but all the 11 billions average of all the women blink on average of 19 times a minute, wherever men blink only 11 times a minute. So the women blink their eyes 19 times a minute, but the men 11 times a minute. And now you know the cards as stack against women in staring concept. 10th point and the last of the 10 amazing facts of nature. 10th point. You must eat only 200 types of plants. So there are billions of types of plant, but the humans know 200 and they eat also 200 types of plant. Scientists estimate that there are about 4,000 different species of plant on Earth. It's much harder to estimate how many of they are edible. So scientists also cannot find how many different species of plant on Earth. But the humans only eat 200 types of plant. Hardly. It's much harder to estimate the plants. But figure range from 80,000 to hopping the 3 lakh. So the estimate is 80,000 species of plant to hopping the 3 lakh. So thank you for watching our video till end. So please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification. So till that, goodbye.